Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2012 Honda CBR600RR. This bike has 10,700 miles and is offered for $74.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great looking super sport from Honda. As you can see in the back, it has a very nice fender eliminator kit, also a really cool Two Brothers carbon fiber exhaust that you'll hear in just a moment. Just got two fresh tires on it, oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Again, only $74.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.